Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload a video on Pinterest Android. So firstly, open up your Pinterest account. Then click at your profile at the bottom right corner. Now if you click on the plus icon at the right hand side, then click on pin. As you can see, there is no video showing in my gallery, but there still are many videos that should be here. But to access the videos, what you have to do is just simply go back and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then go to setting. Then click on account management. Then click on convert to a business account. Then again click on convert account. Then enter a profile name. After that, click next. And now if you have a website link, just simply add that website link. If not, just simply click no website yet. Then choose your business type. For me, I will choose publisher and media. Then click next. And over here, if you want to run ads or not, it's up to you. For me, I will just simply click on yes. Then click next. Now Pinterest will show you some ideas. You can read it or just simply click on next. And now what you have to do is just simply click on explore your profile, and when you get back to your profile, you will see there is a new icon added to your profile, which is Creator Hub. But for now you have nothing to do with that. What you have to do is just simply now click on the plus icon, then click on pin. So as you can see, the video has been started appearing. So what you have to do is now just simply click on one video. Then after choosing the video, just simply click on next. Now you can choose a thumbnail from one of the frames by just simply dragging your thumb on the frames, and then just simply choose a frame, and after choosing the frame, just click next. Now enter a title and description. Then after doing that, just simply click on next at the top right corner. And if you have a board, just simply save in that board, or you can just simply create a new board just by clicking on create board. Then just simply choose a name for your board, for example story. Then just simply click on create at the top right corner, and now just simply refresh your page. So as you can see, now your video has been uploaded into your board and into your profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.